G'day and welcome back to Buildsum, and in this video, which is the next video in my estimating series, I'm going to look at estimating the rafter length. So said we're only going to do estimating the length. I'm not going to work out the actual cutting length. There is another video or a pattern rafter video that goes into those details, and I'll put the links up for that. So here you can see our rafter runs from our ridge up the top here down to our wall plate down here, and you can see that essentially that forms a triangle from the center of our ridge up here down to a line that's comes in line with the back of the plate. And this line across here is called our XY line. Okay, so we can actually work out the length of our rafter to there. And as you can see with that triangle, there's a couple of ways we could do it. We could use Pythagoras if you knew the rise or the length of this side and our half span, but I'm going to use cos. So half span of our roof divided by cos and the roof pitch will give us the length of our rafter, an estimated length of our rafter. So here's the half span dimension from the center of our roof to the outside of our supporting plate, and our roof pitch in this case is 30 degrees. So put the formula in. Our half span in this case is 3 meters 464 mil, and we use the formula. So 3 meters 464 divided by cos 30 will give you, rounded up, 4 meters. So that's 4 meters from the center of the ridge at the top of the roof down to a point that is in line with and plumb up from the back of the plate. Now obviously that's not the length of the rafter. We still have our overhang here. So the easiest way to do that is to then add what we call our eaves width. Okay, so if you had a brick veneer building, you would have to add the eaves width plus the brick and the cavity. In this case, I don't have that, so I'm just going to go from the back of my plate, the back of the supporting plate to the outside of my rafter, horizontal measurement, in this case 600. So 3.464 plus 600 is going to give us 4.064. Divide that again by cos and the roof pitch will give us a overall rafter length of 4 meters 693 millimeters. Okay, now because that length comes to the short point on this end and the long point up here, common practice is then to get our actual order length, we add 100 mil on each end, just to allow for the plumb cuts on this end and this end. So we're actually allowing for the extra material there. So that would give us 4.893, and we round that up to the nearest orderable length. So in this case, we'd be ordering lengths of 5.1. Okay, so there you go. That's how we work out an estimate length, not the cut length. Just the overall length of the timber that we would need to order for our rafters. G'day again, I'm back. Just to let you know, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook so you don't miss out on more great videos.